The African bullfrog is quite a character. It's the biggest frog in Africa, and it's very aggressive. It's got a very powerful bite, for one thing. But in spite of that, it's a devoted father. Bullfrogs spawn in little pools around the margins of a larger pond, and after mating is over, one male stays to watch over them all. But the water is evaporating, and the tadpoles are now crowded together in a single pool. And that, too, is now drying up. The tadpoles will be dead within an hour, unless the male can do something to save them. And he starts doing just that. He begins to dig a channel to connect the tadpole's little pool to the main pond. He must be quick. It's a major task, but he's determined. Down they swim. The tadpoles are saved.